Welcome back to Polar Quiz.
Only 1% of people can answer this correctly. Do you know the capital of Oman? Think fast, because this quiz is about to test your brain like never before. From deserts to flags and cities you've never heard of, this is the ultimate geography challenge. Stick around, and let's see if you're smarter than 99% of people on the internet. Subscribe for more quizzes every week. Let's go! What is the capital city of Oman? Muscat. Muscat is the official capital and largest city of Oman. Which continent is Oman located in? Asia. Oman is part of the Arabian Peninsula in Asia. Which ocean borders Oman? Indian Ocean. Oman has a coastline along the Arabian Sea, part of the Indian Ocean. What currency is used in Oman? Omani Rial. The official currency is the Omani Rial OMR. Which of these cities is in Oman? Salalah. Salalah is a major city in southern Oman. What is the official language of Oman? Arabic. Arabic is the official language spoken in Oman. What type of government does Oman have? Monarchy. Oman is ruled by a sultan, making it a monarchy. Which desert covers part of Oman? Rub al-Khali. The Rub al-Khali, or empty quarter, extends into Oman. What is the national animal of Oman? Arabian oryx. The Arabian oryx is Oman's national animal and symbol of pride. What is the name of the mountain range in northern Oman? Hajar Mountains. The Hajar Mountains run through northern Oman. Oman shares a border with which country? Yemen. Oman borders Yemen to the southwest. What large desert lies near the Dhofar region in Oman? Wahiba Sands. Wahiba Sands is a popular desert for tourists in Oman. Which sea lies to the north of Oman? Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea lies to the north and east of Oman. What is Oman famous for exporting historically? Frankincense. Oman was a historic hub for frankincense trade. Which is an Omani traditional dish? Shua. Shua is a slow-cooked meat dish, a traditional Omani delicacy. What color is Oman's national flag not? Blue. The flag of Oman has red, white, and green, but no blue. Which gulf does Oman overlook? Gulf of Oman. The Gulf of Oman lies between Oman and Iran. What is the name of the famous fort in Muscat? Al-Jalali Fort. Al-Jalali Fort overlooks Muscat Harbor and is a historic site. Which of these is not a neighbor of Oman? Jordan. Oman does not share a border with Jordan. What natural resource is key to Oman's economy? Oil. Oil is a major export and economic driver in Oman. What is the name of Oman's ruler? Sultan Haytham. Sultan Haytham bin Tariq is the current ruler of Oman. Which body of water separates Oman from Iran? Strait of Hormuz. The Strait of Hormuz connects the Persian Gulf with the Gulf of Oman. In which year did Oman join the United Nations? (1971). Oman became a UN member in 1971. What does the Khanjar symbol on Oman's flag represent? National heritage. The Khanjar dagger symbolizes Omani heritage and pride. What religion is most widely practiced in Oman? Islam. Islam is the main religion, with the Abadi sect being prominent. Which famous island group belongs to Oman? Masira Island. Masira Island lies off the east coast of Oman. What is the traditional male outfit in Oman called? Dishdasha. The Omani dishdasha is a long robe worn by men. What is the population range of Oman as of 2024? Four to 5 million. Oman's population is around 4.5 million people. What major port city is located in southern Oman? Salalah. Salalah is a key port and the second largest city in Oman. What is Oman's time zone? GMT+4. Oman operates in Gulf Standard Time, GMT+4. Which body of water lies to the east of Oman? Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea lies along Oman's eastern coast. Oman was once part of which powerful maritime empire? Portuguese Empire. The Portuguese controlled parts of Oman in the 1500s. What is the name of the main airport in Muscat? Muscat International Airport. It's the primary international gateway to Oman. What is the climate like in Oman? Desert. Oman has a hot desert climate with very little rainfall. Which traditional Omani item is worn on the head? Gutra. The gutra or kama is a traditional Omani cap or head covering. Which UNESCO World Heritage Site is found in Oman? Bala Fort. Bala Fort is one of Oman's most iconic historic sites. Which of the following is a traditional Omani drink? Laban. Laban is a salty yogurt drink commonly consumed in Oman. Oman is a member of which regional organization? Gulf Cooperation. Oman is part of the GCC, a group of Gulf countries. What sport is traditionally associated with Oman? Falconry. Falconry is an ancient and respected sport in Oman. What is the official religion of Oman? Islam. Islam is the state religion, with Ibadism as the dominant sect. Which of these is a natural attraction in Oman? Wadi Shab. Wadi Shab is a famous gorge and popular hiking destination. What is the weekend in Oman? Friday through Saturday. Oman observes the weekend on Friday and Saturday. Which island is part of Oman and located in the Arabian Sea? Masira Island. Masira is the largest island of Oman in the Arabian Sea. Which major export helped Oman's economy grow? Oil and gas. Oman's economy is driven by its oil and gas exports. What natural feature is found at Jebel Akhdar? Terrace farms. Jebel Akhdar, or Green Mountain, is known for agriculture. The Dhofar region is known for which monsoon season? Kharif. The Kharif monsoon brings cool weather and greenery to Dhofar. Which European country once occupied parts of Oman? Portugal. The Portuguese built forts and controlled ports in Oman. What does the word Muscat mean in Arabic? Safe anchorage. Muscat refers to a sheltered place for ships to anchor. What is Oman's dialing code? (968). Oman's country code is +968. What is the term for Oman's traditional dagger? Khanjar. The khanjar is a curved dagger, a symbol of pride and tradition. What is the name of Oman's national day? Renaissance Day. Renaissance Day celebrates the rise of Sultan Qaboos in 1970. The capital city of Oman is located near which gulf? Gulf of Oman. Muscat lies along the Gulf of Oman. How many governorates regions does Oman have? (11). Oman is divided into 11 governorates. What is the name of the southernmost city in Oman? Salalah. Salalah is the largest city in southern Oman, which is a famous Omani port town known for shipbuilding. Sir. Sir is renowned for its traditional dhow shipbuilding. Which neighboring country lies directly west of Oman? Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia lies to the west of Oman. What sea creature is featured in diving tours in Oman? Whale shark. Whale sharks can be spotted off the Omani coast. What is Oman's internet domain code? .om. The domain for Oman is .om. Oman was once united with which African country? Zanzibar. Oman and Zanzibar shared a sultanate in the 1800s. What is the name of the palace in Muscat? Al-Alam Palace. Al-Alam Palace is the ceremonial palace of the Sultan in Muscat.
Thank you for participating. Subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of the next quiz videos. Also share this video with your friends so they can join the fun and test their knowledge too. Goodbye.